Stop scrolling for a second, because if you've ever wanted to make passive income on Amazon KDP, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Word search books are a low-competition goldmine right now, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create one from scratch without spending a single dollar on premium tools. Yes, you heard that right. I'll reveal the free secret tool I use to create professional interiors in minutes, saving you hours of work and tons of money. But here's the thing, opportunities like this don't stay easy forever. The sooner you start, the better your chances of standing out. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to publish your first word search book, fast. I'll walk you through, step by step, how to make your very own word search book from scratch. Yes, that's right, even if you're a complete beginner. Even if you've never designed a single page before, you can follow along without feeling lost. So let's talk about the project we're making today. Here's what we'll be working on together. The book will be 8.5 by 11 inches, perfect for nice big puzzles that are easy to read. The topic? Cats, because come on, who doesn't love cats? It'll have a paperback cover, a clean black and white interior, printed on bright white paper, and, wait for it, a total of 120 pages. We'll break this whole bookmaking journey into simple stages so you don't get overwhelmed. Ready? Here are our steps. Step 1. Download the cover template for an 8.5 by 11 inch book. Step 2. Design a simple but attractive cover. Step 3. The big one, the heart of the project, creating the interior of the word search book without any premium tools. All right, let's jump into step 1. Head over to the KDP cover calculator. This little online tool is going to save us so much time. Once you're there, enter your book's information carefully. For binding type, choose paperback. For interior type, pick black and white. For paper type, select white paper, crisp and clean. Reading direction, left to right, and make sure your measurement units are set to inches. Set the trim size to 8.5 by 11 inches. This is a standard size that's easy to work with. For numberless pages, I'll go with 100 pages here, but don't worry, you can adjust it. Then click on Calculate Dimensions and boom, there's your template. Download it, unzip the folder, and open the PNG file. You'll see the exact cover dimensions. For our book, that's 17.475 by 11.250 inches. Now hop into Canva. Create a custom design with those exact dimensions. Upload your template and stretch it to fit the full page. Step 1, done. Now step 2, designing our cover. This is where you can have some fun and get creative. Browse Amazon. Take a peek at what other word search books in your niche look like. Don't copy, just gather inspiration. I'm not going for a complicated cover today. Simple, clean, and appealing works best for this niche. In Canva, go to Elements, search for a square shape, drop it onto your page, and resize it. Pick a color you love, then lower the transparency so you can still see the bleed lines. Now, let's make it pop. Add text like 600 word search puzzles or cat-themed fun. Use fun shapes, playful icons, maybe even some adorable cat illustrations. On the back cover, you could include short instructions or a little blurb for your buyers. When you're happy with the design, click Share, Download, and Step 2 is complete. Here comes Step 3, and this is the most important part, creating the interior of the book without any premium tools. Here's my plan. The first 50 pages will have puzzles, and the next 50 pages will have their solutions. Each puzzle page will have 12 words on a single theme, so in total, we'll need 600 words. How do we get them? Simple. Ask ChatGPT for 600 cat-related words, divided into 50 sections, each with 12 unique words. These themed lists will make your puzzles feel professional and fun. Next, we need the exact interior page dimensions. Go to the Amazon KDP book formatting page. choose your trim size, set bleed, and check the margin guidelines. For our 8.5 by 11-inch book with bleed, the interior size is 8.625 by 11.25 inches. Open Canva again, create a design with those dimensions, and set up your margins. Press Shift-R to turn on rulers, then set margins to 0.375 inches. If you can't hit that exactly, get as close as possible. Now we build our puzzles. Search Canva for the word search book templates. Pick one you like. We'll customize it. For generating puzzles, head to thewordsearch.com. Enter your 12 themed words. Choose the non-personal option and click Submit. Download your puzzle image, crop it. Delete any placeholder letters from the template. Insert your puzzle image into the frame and add your page title. Swap out any generic images for ones that fit your cat theme. Replace placeholder text with your actual list of 12 words. For the solution page, duplicate your puzzle page, add the word solution in a bold, clear font, and then here's the trick: download the solution from thewordsearch.com. In Canva, use a light gray transparent rectangle to highlight the words in the grid without blocking them. Repeat the process for all 50 puzzles. Yes, it takes time, but trust me, it's worth it. By the end, you'll have a polished, professional word search interior, totally free. And that's it. In this video, we covered everything, from downloading your cover template to designing the cover, and finally, building the interior puzzles and solutions. I wanted to make sure you had a complete roadmap so you can start and finish your project without getting stuck. If you enjoyed this tutorial, share it with that one friend who's been working on their puzzle book forever. Maybe this is the push they need. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!